Welcome back to Work Smart Jamaica. If you have ever looked at your Jamaican payslip and wondered, where did my money go? This video is for you because most workers don't actually understand their payslip, and that's how mistakes go unnoticed. Your payslip is not just a piece of paper, it's a record of your money, your taxes, and your benefits. If you don't understand it, you won't know when something is wrong. So let's break down a Jamaican payslip in plain Jamaican English. No legal talk, no accounting jargon. Most Jamaican payslips are broken into four main sections: employee details, earnings, deductions, and your net pay, the money that actually hits your account. Let's go through each one step by step. First section: employee details. At the top of your payslip, you see your name, tax registration number TRN, job title, and the pay period. Always check this section. If the pay period is wrong, your pay could be wrong. Second section, earnings details. This is where your salary or wages are listed. It may include your basic pay, overtime, and allowances like transportation or meals. This is your gross pay before any deductions. Third section, deduction details. This is a section that confuses most workers. Deductions usually include income tax, NIS, NHT, and education tax. Some deductions are required by law, others must be approved by you. In future videos, we'll break down each tax and show you how it's calculated. Fourth section, net pay. Your net pay is what's left after deductions. This is the amount that should match what hits your bank account. If it doesn't, that's a red flag. Next, we are going to look at common payslip mistakes. Common payslip issues include missing overtime, incorrect deductions, or allowances not being included. If you don't read your payslip, you won't catch these. Now that you understand how to read a Jamaican payslip, the next step is knowing what each line actually means. In the next video, I'll break down every single line on a Jamaican payslip so you know exactly what you're being paid for and what's being taken out. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs to understand their payslip better. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.